Hello friends, welcome to Bindu Dadwal Chemistry Lessons. The topic that we do today is Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, taken from chapter 1, Structure of Atom, of your +1 chemistry book. So Heisenberg's uncertainty principle was given by Werner Heisenberg in 1927. According to it, it is not possible to measure simultaneously the position and momentum of a microscopic particle with absolute accuracy or certainty. So, we can determine either position of electron in an atom or the momentum of the electron. We cannot determine simultaneously both the things. We can also write this principle in another way. This is the product of uncertainty in position and uncertainty in momentum of a microscopic particle is always constant and is equal to or greater than 4 by h pi. Mathematically, delta x, uncertainty in position, and delta p, uncertainty in momentum. You multiply, the product is always greater than equal to h by 4 pi. So delta x, if you try to determine it, you fail to determine the delta p, that is uncertainty in momentum. If supposing delta x value is small, that means position can be measured. In that case, the momentum cannot be measured with accuracy. And if delta p is small, that is uncertainty in momentum is small, then momentum can be measured accurately, but uncertainty is introduced in measuring its position. And if delta x, uncertainty in position, is 0, that is your position is located with absolute accuracy, in this case the value of uncertainty in momentum will be infinity, which means that momentum cannot be measured at all. Significance of uncertainty principle for microscopic particles like electron. Supposing electron is its initial path in which it is traveling is this one, and in order to locate its position, you incident a light photon on it, and electron can be seen only if light falls on it. With the microscope, when you try to see the position of the electron, because of the energy of the photon of light that is incident on it, it gets deviated from the intended path. It was supposed to move in this path if light had not fallen on it, but energy of light excites it, and so it follows a new path of electron. So the moment it follows a new path, its velocity changes, its speed changes, and because of that the momentum also changes. You try to find the position, the momentum changes. And if you do not put a light on it, then you cannot locate its position. So you can either find position or the momentum. Both cannot be measured simultaneously. Thus, both the exact position and momentum for a microscopic particle cannot be measured simultaneously. Or we can say that we cannot see a microscopic particle like electron without disturbing it. The numericals based on it: calculate the uncertainty in momentum of an electron if it is confined to a linear region of length 1 into 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. That means position is confined. Position is this. So according to uncertainty principle, uncertainty in position into uncertainty in momentum is equal to h by 4 pi. To find out uncertainty in momentum, we take delta x to the other side. Formula becomes h delta p is equal to h upon 4 pi uncertainty in position. So uncertainty in momentum is equal to value of h 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34 kilogram meter square second inverse upon 4 pi is 3.143 into uncertainty in position is within 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. Solving, we get uncertainty in momentum is equal to 5.27 into 10 raised to power minus 25 kilogram meter per second. Second numerical, an electron has the speed of 40 meters per second, accurate up to 99.99%. What is the uncertainty in locating its position? Velocity, uncertainty in velocity you can find out, and then you have to find uncertainty in position. Mass is given 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31 kg. So this is the expression for uncertainty principle. So to find uncertainty in position, we take m delta v to other side, and we get uncertainty in position is equal to h upon 4 pi m into uncertainty in velocity. Now uncertainty in velocity, we know the accuracy of velocity, so it is 99.99%. so uncertainty will be 100 minus 99.99%, 0.01% of velocity. Velocity is 40 meters per second, so uncertainty will be 0.01 upon 100 into 40, that is 4 into 10 raised to power 3 minus 3 meters per second. So delta x will be equal to 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34 upon 4 pi into m into uncertainty in velocity. Answer comes out to be 1.45 into 10 raised to power minus 2 meters.